What's up, everybody? This is the 8 to 5 Trader, giving you guys my trades for the day. It's been a while for me posting videos. The last video I posted was in July 17th of this year. I took a little break from trading, kind of to get my head right and just to kind of figure out what I was doing with trading, because I felt like while I was trading in the simulator, I wasn't really trading towards a goal. But I took a step back to reevaluate some things, and now I'm back trading again and trying to inch my way towards consistency. And I've also tweaked my strategy a bit, not using as many indicators, and also reducing my expectations. Instead of looking for those big wins, I'm looking for trying to get a lower daily goal for my account. So right now, what I'm looking for is pushing a $50 daily goal day. And today I made one trade. I made a trade on SQ, and it was a pretty quick trade. It was an in and out trade. After the first 5 minutes, I was looking for the opening range breakdown. And after the first 5 minutes, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we got kind of a squeeze up. But I figured that being that the price action closed below the VWAP and we kind of squeezed up, but then we couldn't hold it, I figured that the price action would come back down. So I waited for an entry, and I judged this based on the 5 minute, because I've been trying to trade off just the 5 minute and just the 9 simple moving average, trying to reduce the amount of indicators that I have to pay attention to and allow myself to kind of focus on the price action more. So I took this trade after the first 5 minutes, and I went short 100 shares, and I also added more at, I went short 100 shares at 64.65, and I added another 100 at 64.31. The field wasn't as great as I would have liked, because the price action was a little, the spread wasn't very tight. So I did end up getting a kind of a late fill, but I ended up getting filled, and ended up getting the move down to 63.92. Now, what I would normally do, I would have waited, trying to wait till this price action moves all the way down to the previous day close, which is what this dotted line shows. And what would end up happening, as you can see, that I would have got squeezed up. So when I hit that $50 goal, I try to go ahead and take all of my profits. They teach you to scale out, but when you're trading with only like $2,700 or $3,000 or $3,500, you don't have that much room for scaling out because of commissions. And also, I don't want to get too greedy with my moves, even though you could say, well, you're not letting your winners run, you're not allowing yourself to make that big win. But if I get that $50 move, I'm normally going to go ahead and, at least I'm trying to teach myself to just take the profits rather than trying to let it run too far. Because what I've seen in my past trades is I have too much of an expectation from a trade, and I end up letting it go too far, and I'll end up losing out and letting that winner turn into a loser. So in this particular trade, I ended up banking $112 on it, and after commissions, I ended up plus 95. So that is over 5%. Well, that's almost 5%, I think. 5% on a $2,700 account. So 1% would have been around $27, but I made almost $100 after commissions with that. So I think that's pretty good. But like I said, my daily goal is $50, and I'm trying to stick to that daily goal. So that's what I got for y'all. I'm regularly trying to get back in the motion, but I have been trading. I just haven't been recording my trades. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to try to record all of my videos, or at least my process and my journey with this, so when I finally do go live, I can have these as like a journey, and hopefully it'll help somebody else that's going through the same struggles that I went through. So I will see you guys tomorrow.